The snail is very skeptical about me. He stuck his little head out, looked at me, went back in. Come on, man. I'm a friend. There you go. Oh my god. This thing is huge. Show everybody how big you are. It's cool, buddy. He's not afraid of me.
So we went to a supermarket, by the way, and they had oranges and carrots. But if you walk around the Seychelles, there's fruit everywhere. And what is this one? What did you find?
So this is a fruit called Ixora, I-X-O-A, and I didn't know that this was edible until I saw somebody in India showed me that they could eat it, and he had a red one there.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure this is edible.
It's white on the inside.
And it's purple on the outside.
So you've eaten this before.
I've eaten a relative of it that was red.
Okay, so you're gonna try it. Don't die.
Okay.
Does it taste like the other one tasted?
It's better than the other one.
Really?
But it's not as... It's kind of dry, powdery, a little bit sweet. The other one tastes more like a cranberry and was crunchy.
Okay. So this is not going to be a snuff film.
Yeah.
It's not going to kill you.
It's not going to kill me.
It tastes okay.
I mean, it tastes okay. It's not the best fruit in the world.
Okay. I'd like to try that one.
Yeah.
But it's like powdery on the inside.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's very dry. I don't know if you can really see that. It's not juicy like at all. It looks like kind of like a mealy apple.
Yeah, it's
on the
pretty
inside.
mealy, slightly astringent.
Okay, and what is this called?
It's Ixora.
We got Ixora.
It's not terrible, but it's
sweet.
It's sweet, and I don't know how to explain that.
Powdery.
Yeah.
Powdery, mealy. The seeds look like little coffee beans. It's not related to coffee, is it?
I'm not sure what family it belongs to.
It's actually got two little pea berries to it, almost. I wonder if like you roasted these, they would actually like taste like coffee. You didn't eat the seeds, did you?
Nah, I just ate the pulp.
Yeah, I wouldn't risk that. Yeah, tastes a little bit like a mild, mealy apple. The flavor is like slightly sweet, maybe like a 3 out of 10. No tartness. No bitterness, no herbalness, really. It's just kind of like a mild apple taste. Not anything too crazy, but that's very rare. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's see what else we can find. Been looking for some of the native species of animals, and all I've been seeing are like scary things. Look at that spider. Just the back of it.
You see the male right above it too.
Yeah, if you see that little teeny spider above it, that's the male. And the female is like big and beautiful. You just, what is that?
Mosquitoes.
Oh god. Alright. Probably should get out of here before I get malaria. But, yeah, that's amazing. Do you want to put this spider in your mouth, Steven?
No.
Oh, okay.
Why even offer that?
Well, I really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you did, you may want to check out the video that is below me right now. That should be good too. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, it is a huge help to my channel, so please do consider subscribing or clicking that bell. That does something too. Not sure what it is. Also, check out the description below. There's all sorts of other things I have going on. I don't even know anymore. But guys, I will see you next time. Take care.